Hey, this is Andrew Croft, and I'm going to go through a quick presentation on the layout and sitemap of Spellbacus. So, as you can see in front of you now, we've got the sitemap for Spellbacus, and it shows exactly how the site's going to be laid out. A lot of the site is really in the functionality of the pages, so there's not a lot of pages to interact with each other. But this shows you that the home page is accessible globally, which means everybody who goes to the page will be able to see that. Everything else on the site is available only after logging in. So we've got the home page here. Once you log in, you can see your characters. You can change and edit your account settings. There's a character sheet page and the print character page. This right here is just a wireframe. This is the basic layout of what the home page would look like. When you get to the page, it basically prompts you to log in or register. There really is no other options until you get logged in. So once the character chooses to register from here, they can put in their name, their username, their password, put in the password again just to make sure they get it right. And then they'll register. Once they register, they'll be automatically logged in. And once a user is logged in, when they first log in, none of these characters will be here, but as a user begins to use the site more and more, they'll have more and more characters, which will then populate. So from here, user can choose to make a new character, they can choose to edit a character, or they can choose to delete a character. They'll have the option to go into account settings, etc. So the next page, once the user decides to select a character, this is exactly what this would look like if somebody came in and filled out this top information here. They've got the username, some information about the character, and they will be able to click and edit in any of these squares to get going. So if a user creates a new character and they're unfamiliar with how the system works, it will actually prompt them once they create a new character on what it is that they should be doing. So if a user decides to select new character, this is what the screen would look like. So it's prompting them to enter the character name before they can move on to the next field. Once they begin entering their character name, or they finish entering their character name, the next thing that will happen is it will then highlight the gray areas and tell them they can click the gray areas to edit. And the idea behind this is that once a user creates a new character, they'll fill out the information, they'll get through the this screen and this screen. Then when they come back to this screen, they should know that once they click on one of these gray boxes, that they can actually edit that box and change what's in the box. So this is the basic layout of what Spellbacus is going to look like. I hope you like it.